Hello everyone, this is Archil Sumbadze and I'm presenting the Fieldwork project Teachers Smart Teams, which I am implementing in my workplace, Foxwood International School, Tbilisi. Every project idea comes from a challenge or gap, and here is what I found in this case. Teachers are mostly focused on the academic processes, such as syllabus, tests, scores, grading system, etc., whereas they rarely share information about individual personal needs that students reveal on their lessons. Why is this important? First of all, knowing a student is a collective responsibility of a school, not just of a single teacher. Secondly, knowing the impact that we do on students is critical because every starting point every morning impacts the whole learning process of a student throughout the day. And thirdly, this is basis for the individual professional development of teachers as well, because without social psychological diagnosis skills, effective teaching is almost impossible. While screening the literature on this topic, I found three main sources that could be useful, and the first two indicated on the slide are the theoretical basis for my project, whereas the third one is something that I need to bear in mind while implementing it in order to protect the privacy of children. Basically, what I have launched is a platform based on clusters, for example, specific grades, which would integrate teachers and tutors who could have important information that could impact effective teaching. The first form that I initiated is a web-based system, and the second is just live meetings. This is the school-based platform which I used for my project. Now, if I log in as a civics teacher, here I will have an online space, something similar to Moodle. Here I have a selection of classes that I teach, and so if I select one group as an example, here I have a list of students that I teach, and here are boxes for grading, and these are individual feedback forms. This is the gap which we already had. This is homework and general comments box. And this is a new box that we have added in frames of my project. This is a class comments which is only shared with the fellow teachers who teach the same students. And these can be either a piece of information about a specific student, a group of students, general tendencies in this group, some findings during my teaching, and so on and so on. So this is really straightforward. If I now click on the editing button, then I type something and just click on submit again. It is already shared with the fellow teachers. The second type is live meetings, which is coordinated by myself, and you can see the photos of the last meeting dedicated to the 7th graders cluster, where teachers and tutors actually shared some information with some pieces of information revealed on specific lessons which may not have been of any kind of focus of our attention before. When it comes to the evaluation and results, as this project has a long-standing goal, I cannot affirm about any specific result at this moment. However, the immediate outcome that I have is that majority of participating teachers have mentioned that they had not heard some pieces of information concerning specific students before, and now they feel more prepared for the interaction with them. This is it about the project briefly. Thank you very much for your attention. In case of any questions, you can contact me on the email indicated on the screen. Have a nice day. Bye bye.